guess. There we go. I wouldn't want to disturb my neighbors by talking too loud. So now, I guess, now that I've moved in, which was yesterday, an apartment tour is due in. It's reasonable to have one. What do you call it? Well, you come in, and, well, I guess the view isn't that much necessarily, but I have everything I need. Got clothes and stuff in these. Cleaning supplies, pretty standard. My two plants, Helga and Julia. Some photos. Some artist work that my uncle has been doing. That one I got as a gift when I did my graduation. That one I got as a gift for my 21st birthday. No, 20th birthday. And a gigantic mirror. Which is enough for me to be able to stand here and flex as I'm recording, which is nice. Also, have this cool feature on my desk, which makes it, well, elevatable, even though it takes a while. It eventually becomes a standing desk. So here I'll be doing my recording and streaming and everything, hopefully with a little bit less noise in the background. They're building outside. I'm on the 5th floor, which is the highest floor that you can live on, reasonably, which is very nice, because it means I have no one above me in the literal sense. There we go. It's a lot better. Stand here and do my work. Anyways, an old giveaway table with some temporary chairs. A gigantic balcony, frankly. As I can chill out here. Looking at whatever's happening outside. See if the fridge is working. It is. It wasn't working properly yesterday, but today it is. Fuck. My dad left 2 beers in the fridge. I mean, they're like 3.5s, but still, I don't drink. He bought them for yesterday when we had pizza for dinner, which is a standard moving in kind of meal that you eat when you're moving in somewhere. Got some stuff here, glasses, boxes for food and all that. Bit of other stuff. The greatest tea there is. The greatest soup there is. Noodles, pretty basic stuff. My God, that really smells of tea. Oh shit, and that whoa! Organic or herbal smoke blend. I don't smoke. I used to smoke that. It's a bit. I didn't have it a habit, but I was trying it out for a moment. Because for a while I was into psychedelics, I guess. That's a different conversation. Spices and the weirdest salt I've seen. Pretty nice. We got the ashwagandha and zinc as well. That's a temporary placement. I have some other stuff. We've got all my workout equipment, my hiking stuff, all the other shit that I have. It's just stashed in here because I don't know what to do with it. Should be good though. It is insanely warm in here. but since the noise probably doesn't sound all that good in the recording. That's better. I can hear the washing. Oh yeah, I have a dishwasher, an oven. Don't have a microwave, but I also have a washer and a dryer thing. So I mean, this place is kitted, and it's got like, well, I mean, it has everything I need with like very low rent. So it's chill. 5th floor, balcony, huge balcony that is, and low rent. This couldn't possibly be better. There's literally a store right over there as well, like on the other side of the road, and it's a good store too. They sell high quality meats for a fairly low price, which is nice. Not too far away from the railroad. There's a fly here. Everything's nearby. I guess the only thing I could complain about, which I'm not going to complain about, is the view from the balcony isn't very. There's not much to look at. Like, it's mostly construction and depressingly not green grass. But I, like I said, can't complain. This place is awesome. Where the hell did that fly go? Nah, it's gone. Let's hope. I have a neighbor that smokes, but honestly, not that big of a deal. Should be okay. And, yeah. Oh, well, there's a fly. It's kind of nice. I guess in the future, I'm going to be recording and streaming. Well, obviously recording, but I'm going to be streaming a lot more now that I can do it without expunging anyone else's privacy but my own. Because I don't want to post other people's lives online without their consent, and it just kind of feels iffy. So, but now I'm here all alone, which isn't necessarily a positive, but it is what it is, and I can make the most of it. Because now I can stream my entire life here if I wanted to, which is a legitimate thing that I was thinking about at some point. I'm still not entirely sure. I don't know if the fly left. Unclear. Oh no, it's silly. Except for the good news of having an apartment that I've moved into. Our dog is currently undergoing surgery because the same thing that killed our last dog is happening to him too. He's an entirely different race of dog. It's just, and he's slightly smaller too, so it shouldn't be. It's not like a common occurrence to have. It's the stomach twisting thing, where it twists and bloats, and it's like super dangerous and needs to be taken care of immediately. We had to put down our last one, Elliot, when he succumbed to that. Well, I mean, he was put down clinically, not like. But he should be okay, given that Pompe, which is the name of our current dog, is actually undergoing surgery, which is something that Elliot never did. He was too old. So, it is what it is. It's kind of, I mean, I was sleeping really nicely for once. You know, I finally had a good night's rest, I think, except for the heat in this apartment. And then I get woken up by my mother calling me and telling me that, well, his health got worse. Like, dramatically. He was sent to the hospital just a few minutes before she called me. So that wasn't the nicest way to wake up. I took a shower and went over to their place. They were at my grandma's place, who doesn't live that far away from here. Yeah, but it should be okay. As long as they don't call mid-surgery to tell us that everything's fucked, that we should put him down, then he should be okay. He's a flat-coated retriever, along with our second dog, who's also a flat-coated retriever. His name is Freya. And he's been with us for what is it? God, like 9-10 years? 9, I think. It's a long time for a dog of that size. He's not like the biggest type of dog, but he's not that small either. So, opening the balcony again. I need to get rid of this fly. I mean, if a second one comes in there, I don't want them breeding. Let's leave the door open until the seeds fly out. Yeah. Still, everything else in my life is going pretty, well, I guess good now. I have a place to live. I have a job. Well, I will sign the contract for the gym thing in about a week, or about a week from now. I have YouTube, which is going pretty well. Oh yeah, and included membership for the gym I will work at. So that's a lot less of a cost. Things are going well. And this is probably like the best apartment I could have gotten. Cost-wise and placement-wise and everything. I mean, this town I live in here now is where I grew up. It's kind of interesting that we just found the perfect newly made apartment that matches and just happens to be in the place I grew up. But really, it's just a coincidence. So, all right. Fuck, I have nothing to do. Well, I can solve that. Alright, I'm probably gonna stream today. I mean, this video is gonna come out tomorrow. It's probably fine. It'll be fun, because on the stream you'll see, like, hints of what the apartment looks like. In case you want to see, I guess. Maybe I rushed it too much. You'll see a bunch of it anyways. It's fine. All right. Take care. And spend your life wisely. See you.